After we get set up in the RV park, we head straight into Fremont Street to get Thai food and see what this part of town looks like. This is where the dance party will be on New Year's Eve, and you can see that they are starting to set up for it. After we've eaten, we take an Uber over towards the Strip. We do a lot of wandering inside and outside of different places. I believe this was inside the Venetian. The entrance, Bellagio. As you can see, they have some fencing out here, and they do set up fencing during the actual fireworks, which blocks us into the area in front of the Bellagio, which is where we watch the fireworks from. And this is the Bellagio right here. But first we watch the Bellagio water fountain while we wait for New Year's. Us in front of the Bellagio trying to stay warm. And it's officially 2022. We make our way out through the crowds. The next morning, we head out to Valley of Fire. And Matthew and Caroline get to see a few of the bighorn sheep. Looking back towards the entrance to the park. We take Matthew and Caroline to do the Fire Wave Trail. We see a bunch of Lamborghinis that have met up out here. We are just outside the White Domes area. If you hike to the bottom here, there is remnants of a movie set. You can see that in the background, even in this picture. On New Year's Day, there is literally no chance we will overheat. Silica Dome area. And we walk a little ways into the mouse tank area. Elephant Rock. We see a few bighorn sheep on our way out. From here, the kids take off and go into town to stay overnight, and we meet up with them the next day for a hockey game. They put on quite a show for the hockey games. this time we see the Bellagio show during the daylight hours. We do more exploring and eventually grab something to eat because we have a show to see later on. We see the show together, and then Mike and I head back to stay at the campground and explore that area a little bit. Our Christmas tree is still alive, getting fresh air. And we check out the fact that we have this area to gamble in the campground. Get ready to take off, and then we head to Lake Havasu State Park next.